Hi guys, how you doing? I wanted to put out a video that was a little bit different to the kind of content I've been doing for a while. And why did I want to do that? Well, it's because of some of the stuff that you guys have said to me that's been genuinely really nice. Um, I'm not really good at this sort of stuff. So, firstly, if you have left a comment, thank you. If you've left one of the really nice comments, like the few that I've received recently that have genuinely made me feel warm and fuzzy inside, thank you so much because that's that was just legitimately really encouraging and motivating. So what am I trying to say? What's on the upside of this? I thought it'd be useful as well. I know we only had a chat quite recently, but a couple of things have changed in life. I've got a different job and such now, so time has become a little bit more limited. As I'm progressing career wise, that doesn't mean I'm going to stop making videos at all. It's not the case. But as you'll see, as the Slaves to Darkness videos and the Soul Blight videos finish off now, those will be appearing over the next, well, every couple of weeks. I'm going to put one of those out, and I may do another video every week. They got progressively longer to the point where some of them are over an hour long. And that obviously takes a significant amount of time to narrate, to edit, to write the scripts for, to film all of the footage, to paint the models. And I'm just not going to have that level of time to put into things for a little while at least, while I kind of acclimatize to a new role and all of that stuff that goes on in real life. Now, what does that mean for what I want to do hobby wise? Well, I think it actually makes things a little bit better. So there's a whole slew of other stuff that I'm doing as well. I'm playing more regular now, so I've started playing Darkwater weekly. I want to make some videos and content about that. I'm painting the Realm of BattleBots. I've got a whole wodge of projects that I don't want to do step by step tutorials for. I want to do smaller, maybe 10, 15-minute videos of an entire project as I'm working on it and be less scripted and just talk to you guys as I'm working on something. Not just the positive sides of it, but the obstacles that you face as an hobbyist when you're trying to do something, perhaps customizing things, all of that things. I've got a whole wodge of books that I want to talk about, a whole amount of lore and theory crafting that I think would be really good to kind of just get out of my head and talk to people about. So hopefully, like the mix up of different styles of content, that some of it will be more polished than other bits, depending on where I am with the amount of time I have at any given point when I'm producing something. And of course, there's the other bits and pieces that I'm doing as well. So I'll still be putting out videos every fortnight, hopefully. Well, definitely there'll be a video at least once every 2 weeks. Um, and I'm also putting out podcasts with my co-host Will. Um, Currently we're called Warhammer and Wings. That may change, but you can find us on all of the podcasting platforms, and you can find us on YouTube as well, Warhammer and Wings at the moment, where we talk every couple of weeks. So they usually come out on Mondays, 8 p.m. every week when a video doesn't come out. And that's just two guys talking about their hobby journey. Any of the new releases will talk about that. I tend to pick up most of the books that come out, certainly for AOS at least. But we've got all of the excitement around 11th edition coming up. We won't be talking about the meta, the gaming stuff, that side of things. We will be literally talking as just two guys that love the universe and the lore side of it. We'll be talking about our armies, whether they're competitive or not. We don't care. We're talking about paint schemes, all of that stuff, and that's the kind of thing I want to get back to on this channel. I want to be excited about it. I'm not going to be like throwing shade at GW or any of the other providers. I'm staying away from all of that controversy. Sometimes I might have opinions about things, but I'm not going to be like abandoning my love of Warhammer, certainly. So yeah, that's where I am with everything right now. But I just really wanted to make something that just said thank you to the people that have commented, that have asked questions. I do read and reply to every individual comment. Some of the comments that require a little bit more of an in-depth reply, I'm thinking perhaps a video where I don't actually own a specific model that people are asking me about. And obviously, I can't go out and buy every single model. I would love to, but I can't do that. Perhaps I could do some type of visual paint job of it where I can kind of give you my interpretation of what that might look like and give you some thoughts. If that's something that would be useful, as somebody asked me about Ionis Cryptbone, that is a model that I would love to paint at some point, but I don't have it now. But I can kind of see how that would work. So getting that out of my head now and it being useful to somebody rather than a year or 2 years down the line, I think would be really, really cool. Um, so yeah, that's where I am with things. I hope you continue to enjoy the Slaves to Darkness and the Soulblight videos. I hope you enjoy the other things that I've been filming. And yeah, thank you so much for the comments. The channel's growing, which I thought it had kind of like plateaued. So if you're new, thank you. I hope you're enjoying everything that I do. And I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the community. And I love being a part of the content creating community that's giving hobbyists content that they want to watch, kind of content that I would want to watch. So yeah, thank you. I'll see you all later. Have a good one. And I don't know. I need a tagline, don't I? Yeah, I need a tagline. Whatever. I used to say, if you're going to do crack, make sure it's plastic, but I don't think that's acceptable anymore. Anyway, till later. Thank you very much.